Samanani bafethu ufethu la uyabuza angazi pixel for PFS eyithola leyo nto uthi Nike Shop malini Nike Shop bafethu ngihambisa ngo 1.4 free delivery uyibo leyo nto le uma nebhokisi iphume nebag ngithola. So if you are interested ufuna place order nobukiphi sa deliver nationwide bafethu uyibo lonto le there's no need to panic or anything ngithola ngikhona la for nina guys for kuniserve uyibo lonto le ama number makhona ku bio for in case if uyatswafa ku bio ngizovenda ukubizele wona but ngeke ngabhala le stream because iTikTok angeke iphushe le video le yabo ngeke ngenze justice. So into ozoyenza naye bafethu uyangithinta ku WhatsApp ku 06 777 94414 ufuna isneaker ufuna ama track suit ngikhona guys ngikhona ufuna ama jacket ngikhona uyibo lento leyo make sure ukuthi yazwakala ozongisupport uyibo lento leyo za differentiate ama prices wakhona. So but Nike Shop mayifuna yamba 1.4 uyibo lento leyo plus ngirana futhi ne special si winter uyibo winter special which like you get two sneakers uyibo lento leyo nge 1.7 understand and then I delivery fee yakho kuzoba 120 uyibo lento leyo. So make sure bafethu nangithinta bafethu ningisupport bafethu supporting nganijabulisa kakhulu and nginga appreciate kakhulu and ngiyanithanda nje kakhulu bafethu and nginikhonzile nje kakhulu neyibo lento leyo. So ngicaba bafethu ningisupportini into ngayitsho one thing about isitoko sethu high quality guys, you will never be disappointed. High quality, you understand? Quality makwayazamba kuyibo lonto le kwelinye izinga ihlanyile uyibo lonto. So ngikhona for nina guys ngicela ngisupport njalo enincane.